All right guys, planks. So I want everybody to be in a push-up position unless it hurts your wrists. So that's the biggest thing that's going to differentiate whether you do it on your elbows or on your wrists. It's going to be basically the same thing. If you go from your elbows, try not to let your elbows go forward, and a lot of the work happens from your shoulder instead of from your core. So if you're on your elbows, think about pulling the elbows in like this, dragging the floor towards your stomach instead of pushing the floor away from you. And when you're on your hands, you can think about the same thing. Pull your hands in, keep the rib cage in, keep the hips tucked forward. So essentially, you don't want to be arching your back like this or letting your butt sag down. Push the hips through, keep the core tight, push the floor away from you.